Good evening, good evening. Hey, let's read these verses. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Yeah. Um, how do you get strength from Christ? Well, for me, you get strength from Christ when you understand that Christ exists. That's for one. And that you know He is able to help you. Because nowadays people don't believe in God or Jesus. And when uh, have that in your heart, like you really believe it, then you will have that peace. Then definitely Christ can strengthen you in any type of situation, especially in such situations. Jeremiah 29:11 is also a fair verse. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you rest, and plans to give you hope and a future. Yeah, that's good. So it means that before we worry about what will happen tomorrow, God already prepared something good for us. It's good, right? Psalm 21:23 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. I think this means that there will be no other shelter or protection you could look for or ask for except for God's protection. I shall not want anything but God. Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Mm. Nowadays, you can see a lot of crooked people. And the news, it's all saturated with corruption, especially in the Philippines. And you know why people are bad? Because they don't trust God. They don't understand the blessing that is installed for them when they have faith in God. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. This provides strength, like you don't have to worry about bad people. Although they can harm you, I mean, they can hurt you. That's the course of life. That's how, you know, life on earth is. It's not perfect. Right? But it says there, do not fear. There's always a good ending for good people. I know that. I believe in that. That's how I receive the blessings. I believe in the positivity of God's existence. Blessings after blessings, it is real. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. And we know that all things. Oh, my favorite 8:28. All things work together for good to those who love God and who are called according to His purpose. Okay, there's one more sentence there. So yeah, when you're tired, again, that Matthew 11:28 is similar to Philippians 4:13. But 8:28 is, if you're really in the path of God, you chose holiness, righteousness in the name of God, and everything will work positively. I don't know, I believe that because negative, no, it has something to do with really inside. Because if you're in trouble still, then the positivity is only 50%. But if you fully trust God, then I don't know. But I see and I believe that everything works for good. There's always a good ending for God's faithful people. Yeah, yeah, claim it. Okay, good evening. Have a nice day. It's a Friday.